So, even under the worst conditions, we still have access to the higher view, right? The spiritual itself. So, not as anything that anyone can manipulate or use against anybody else. That's imaginary. You know, like your boogeyman is going to kill or take out somebody else's boogeyman. It doesn't work that way. We're not talking about that. And even all the sophisticated weapons that we dream up and concoct or create, they're subject to something higher. Right? And there are even incidences that are recorded, especially by way of the military intelligence, where alien craft have hovered over atomic centers and missile sites and caused the missiles to shut down as a demonstration of their power and intelligence over our pipsqueak sort of efforts to engage in nonsense against one another. And so that's ticklish. Right? Then they disappear, poof. As if they're watching this and, you know, not that they're afraid to show up. Why should they show up to garbage? when maybe there come a day when we are able to create an atmosphere that is more appropriate to their nature. And as I think it was, I don't know if it was Einstein or one of the great astrophysicists, who said, they might be 1,000,000 years ahead of us. We could very well wind up as their lunch. Their favorite sandwich. I find that hard to believe, actually, knowing humans. But getting back to our point, yes, we're talking about view. See? View. See? The view of peace and happiness. See? And completion. Realization. And profound understanding. So that there's no need to be in such ridiculous conflict all the time because of a lack of knowing. See? Because of an abundance of ignorance. Higher view, heart view.